Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Samsung Galaxy A40 to older Android smartphone, for the first you have to go for the Play Store on your A40, then click on the search and type here CLONEit. This is the name of the application that we are going to use. Let's click on the install, and you have to do the same on your second smartphone. I just did it, so right now on this smartphone I can open it, and it is finished on the A40. So let's open it again, click allow a few times, tap on the yes, I agree, and right now click sender on your Samsung Galaxy A40. Also tap allow a few times and click sender, receiver on your Android phone and click set, then turn on location. Let's go back and tap on the receiver once again and click on the search again. Right now our smartphones are looking for each other's, so we have to wait a little bit. Click on the Android share icon, and right now we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input the password manually. So pick your way. I will just scan the QR code because it is the fastest way. And right now we have to wait once again. Accept the request on your A40. And right now, if you want to send everything from this Samsung, if you get these notifications, click on the cancel. And if you want to take everything, just click on all of these icons, select everything, then tap on the start. But in my case, I'm going only for the music. So let's click on the start. It is importing, and it's finished. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.